Good morning, all my dear children. Welcome back to the next session of our class. We are learning the lesson Adaptations in Plants. Before continuing today, we can just recap what we learned in the previous classes. Are you ready? Okay. Then all of you read your textbook very well. Collect your parent signature. Okay, then I will check it when the school reopens. Okay, then all of you remember, all of you just read or just say what we learned. First, we learned about adaptations. What if you say what is adaptation? Okay, adaptation is the special features in plants developed in plants or animals to live in a particular place or habitat. That is adaptations. What is habitat? Habitat is the place where the animal or the plant live. That is habitat. Okay, that we learned in the previous class. Then what we learned? We learned about different types of plants according to their habitat where they are living. According to that, we classify them. The plants are classified into two. The plants which live on land, they are called terrestrial plants, and the plants which live in water, we can call it is aquatic plants. Aquatic plants, we said another one name. What is that? Yes, hydrophytes. Hydrophytes live in water. Then we classify the aquatic plants according to their habitat. So these aquatic plants have many adaptations also. Isn't it? You see many plants, etc. Okay. So, the different kinds of aquatic plants are, all of you say, which are the different kinds of aquatic plants? Yes, floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Underwater plant have another name, what is that? Yes, submerged plants. Okay, then we learned the adaptations of these plants very well in the previous classes. Okay, then we can go to today's topic. So listen children, today we are going to learn about the terrestrial plants. We already learned about aquatic plants. Then the next topic is terrestrial plants. We can classify these terrestrial plants also like aquatic plants, because these terrestrial plants, you look, they live on land. When we look around us, we can see all the places are not alike. The places are different. We can see there are plains, the flat areas. That means plains. Flat areas is called plains. In the world or on the earth, we can see there are lot of plains. On the plains, the plants are adapted to live. Some types of plants only live on the plains. Like that, the other regions like hilly regions. Hilly areas also, some special type of plants are living on the hilly regions also. Then other type is windy regions. When we look, we can see that some special features are there for plants which live in windy regions. Understand? Then look, the other places, that is desert regions. The desert regions, some only special type of plants, some specially adapted plants are living in desert areas. Okay. Then look, marshy regions. We already discussed about marshy regions. What is marshy regions? Muddy, wet, muddy places. Wet, muddy places, all the plants cannot live in wet, muddy places. That is marshy regions. Some special adapted plants can only live in marshy regions. So, we can classify these terrestrial plants into the plants which live in plains, hilly regions, windy regions, deserts and marshy regions. Okay, the terrestrial plants may live in different types of areas, different types of regions. So why we can tell that there are 5 types of regions we wrote here. So terrestrial plants will be there in different places they live. For that they have some special adaptations that we are going to learn today. So first, that is plains. We are going to learn about the plains. What about plains? What is the speciality of plains? Plains will be the flat areas. Flat areas, the weather condition will be different. So what is the weather condition in plain areas? Look here, there will be hot weather season. Some plain areas we can see there will be hot weather. The weather will be so hot and some rainfall only. When we look that, we can see that in some plain areas, many plain areas will be there. In some places, the plain areas we will have hot weather and very slow, very some rainfall only we will get. That places some plants are living. That plants, what will be their adaptations? In the hot weather and some rainfall areas, they shed their leaves in particular seasons. In particular seasons like autumn season, they shed their leaves. They will not have leaves on a particular season. Such plants we can call that deciduous plants. What we can call? Deciduous plants. What if you say? What is that? Deciduous plants. Very good. Okay. Then some plains we will get hot weather and heavy rainfall. In some areas we can see that there will be hot weather conditions same, but there will be heavy rain. In this area only some rainfall, that is why they shed their leaves. But in this area heavy rainfall will be there. What will happen? They do not shed their leaves. Their leaves always will be in greenish color. So you learned in SS, I think, that types of plants which live in hot weather and heavy rainfall area, their leaves will be always greenish color. Then they will be evergreen. All the time the greenish will be there. So why these plants are called evergreen plants? All of you just recap what we learned today. We learned about the terrestrial plants. The terrestrial plants are living in different places like plains, hilly regions, windy regions, desert and marshy regions. Then we learned about the adaptations or different types of plants live in plains. They are deciduous plants which live in hot weather condition and some rainfall areas. These deciduous plants are living. And the evergreen plants, they do not shed their leaves and they will be always evergreen. That is why the name. So this you read very well. Read your textbook properly and collect the signature. Understand? Okay. Thank you for today. We can see again. Meet you again. Thank you.